download EditPlus, what we will do here, we are just going to the Chrome and we will type download EditPlus. Okay, we'll just use the free trial itself. We don't require the entire version. So download EditPlus is there. So for Java it's better editor. So it is similar to Notepad only, but here we are having colors. In Notepad we don't have the colors. Okay, for the next coming videos and all, for coming tutorials we will use EditPlus, and later we'll upgrade to IDEs and all. Okay, so let me click on this. So it will ask you accept. So click this, and then it is asking to copy the files, whatever the files will be there. Okay, start copy. Congratulations, successfully installed. Let us check that. EditPlus, yes, it has been installed. So I'm just taking the data here. It is telling okay, something okay, we'll give trial version only we will use. Now we can move this. So we can open this, and so now I want to create a Java file. Let us click new Java. See the magic here. We can just create here a class A. Okay, so I want to run this. So how we will run? First save this as a.java. So it's better. So for safety purpose we will be using the class name itself. So here it is very easier. You can just open the command prompt and you can type the command javac a.java and Java the class name. So hello world, it's running. So from next video onwards we will be using this EditPlus itself. Okay guys, thank you for watching.